Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. It's around 9:30, 10. Just thought I'd come out and check on the bees. I do see some bee activity. My feeder's empty, so I'm gonna have to get that filled and come back out later today or tomorrow. And you can see my buddy hanging out, chirping away, looking for some food. So we're gonna jump in there, open up the box, see what we can see. Hopefully there's a good amount of activity. Sorry the camera's all shaky, I'm just trying to move stuff around. Move stuff around so we can see what's going on in the box. And then I can grab it after I get it open. Put my gloves on. Figured I'd come out nice and early because it's supposed to be around 30 Celsius today. 29, that's going to be hot. So we'll get this open and see what we can find. Oh, it looks like they're going to make a recovery. So you can probably see some of those bees. We didn't have nearly that many a few weeks ago when I was out checking. So I have a feeling my bees are going to recover. There's a few up in here working, but yeah, there's a pile down in there doing their thing. That far frame right there on the outside of the box, that's all full of honey. So I'm just going to close this back up and not bug them too much. Because I do see bees, lots of bees, and there's no point screwing around with them. Close it up. So that's super cool. Lots of bees in there compared to last time. Last time, I'm not even sure you could, just gonna take my veil off here. Now last time I'm not even sure there was, I'm not sure how many there were, but I don't think you could fill the smallest of mason jars. And now there seems to be a good amount, so I'm pretty happy with that. Probably getting all sunblast today. So we're gonna do up the electric fence. There's my buddy down there, right under my feet. He gets a little aggressive sometimes. I've had to kick him pretty good a couple times because he'll try and actually jump me. So, hey, come on, get out of here. Yeah, get going. Get. Come on. Come on, look out. You're gonna get hit by a stick shortly. So anywho, the bees are doing really well, which I'm pretty pumped about. There, I just hoofed him, but he comes right back. But yeah, the bees are doing really well. I'm quite surprised. they're doing a lot better than what they were doing. There's probably 10 times the amount of bees, if not more. So we will go make up a syrup maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little cooler. I don't want to do it when it's super hot out. And we'll do that, and we'll get feeding them again. That should help boost. There is some buckwheat flowers starting to come up. This is all a buckwheat food plot for the deer. I plant clover and buckwheat. This year it's just buckwheat in here. On the other side it's kind of a rough looking clover patch. It'll need redone next year. But this is just your buckwheat that you'd buy from a farm and feed co-op. And I just use my gator with a simple set of drags, and I break up the ground as best I can. It's mainly rock, and I'm just going to let it go to seed and flower, and hopefully it'll drop all its seeds and it'll do its own thing, and I won't have to come in and reseed next year. I will probably come in and weed kill the bushes right in there, and right there at that stump, and those raspberry bushes. They'll start to encroach on the food plot quite a bit. So yeah, that's the bees for this week. It's been I think 2 weeks since I came out last, so I'm happy that they're doing so well. I think I don't know if I'll get honey this year, but I think they should recover and make it, and we'll buy more bees next year for another hive. Thanks, guys.